Hi, my name's Donna. I'm a first year diploma student at the London Centre for Psychodrama, and I'm speaking to you from my home in Newcastle upon Tyne. And I'm just reflecting on our training and how in this difficult time we connect to others. And I'm also reflecting on some of the reading that we've done with Moreno on the status nascendi and the bed and the ground where seeds can grow. And I suppose my message is that through spontaneity and creativity, we can always find ways to connect. And as I'm talking to you now on Zoom, I feel quite kind of buoyant that we can find ways to continue to connect and to use the principles of psychodrama to do that. So I wish you well, and I hope that you can come and connect with us at the experiential.